Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take grammar and vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. The correct option is beautifully. Question 2. You dash finish your homework before watching TV. The correct option is must. You must finish your homework before watching TV. Question 3. I saw a dash eagle flying above the hills. The correct option is an. I saw an eagle flying above the hills. Question 4. The cat is hiding dash the sofa. The correct option is under. The cat is hiding under the sofa. Question 5. I was tired dash I went to bed early. The correct option is so. I was tired, so I went to bed early. Question 6. If I had known, I dash helped you. The correct option is would have. If I had known, I would have helped you. Question 7. He said, I am leaving now. Convert the sentence to reported speech. The correct option is he said that he was leaving then. Question 8. Choose the correctly punctuated sentence. The correct option is my brother, comma, who lives in London, comma, is visiting. Question 9. Which sentence is a compound sentence? The correct option is she opened the door and greeted him. Question 10. The essay dash by all the students. The correct option is was written. The essay was written by all the students. Question 11. He enjoys dash football in the evenings. The correct option is playing. He enjoys playing football in the evenings. Question 12. Dash are you going to invite to the party? The correct option is who. Who are you going to invite to the party? Question 13. This hotel is dash than the one we stayed in last year. The correct option is better. This hotel is better than the one we stayed in last year. Question 14. The man dash fixed the car is my uncle. The correct option is who. The man who fixed the car is my uncle. Question 15. The teacher asked, "Are you ready?" Change this sentence to indirect speech. The correct option is, the teacher asked if I was ready. Question 16. We haven't seen her since last week dash. The correct option is have we. We haven't seen her since last week, have we? Question 17. He is dash tallest boy in the class. The correct option is the. He is the tallest boy in the class. Question 18. They arrived dash the airport just in time. The correct option is at. They arrived at the airport just in time. Question 19. To succeed in life, you need dash. The correct option is to work hard. To succeed in life, you need to work hard. Question 20. My bag is heavier dash yours. The correct option is than. My bag is heavier than yours. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.